Hey guys, today I'm going to make a really quick video for you just explaining how the Rakuten Referral Program works. A lot of you out there are asking, how can I get paid to refer my friends and family to the Rakuten Referral Program? And today, that's what this video is going to be about. First, I'll show you how to do it in the app. It's very simple. You just open your Rakuten app, click the Earn $25 button in the upper right hand corner, and then a few different options will display here. You'll have share via email, share via text, share via Facebook, and I'm just running through all these here to show you pretty much what happens when you click on these buttons. It's pretty self-explanatory. I'm not going to go through every single one of them here. You get the idea. And then if you just scroll a little bit further below, you'll see the referral bonuses that you have for that referral period. First thing you want to do, obviously, is go to Rakuten.com, okay? And once you're signed into your account, up in the upper right hand corner here, just click on your name and it'll show you your current cashback account and your balance and all of that. So in order to refer your friends and family to Rakuten, you need to click on this button here where it says refer and earn, okay? And there's a few different ways you can do it. You can send them a code by email. You can send them a code on Facebook or Twitter. You can also copy this link right here and then just send them a text message with this link, and that will work as well. So a couple things you want to pay attention to in order for this to work is, in order to actually get paid outside of those methods that I just showed you, you will need to sign up for their influencer program, which is right down here. And why would you want to do this? Well, if you're like me and you make YouTube videos and you show how to do this, or if you want to put it on your website, your referral code, something like that outside of these methods that I'm showing you right here or that Rakuten has available to you, then there's a good chance you might not actually get paid for that referral if they sign up. So the only way to get paid for your referral is through one of these methods here that they show on the screen, or by becoming an influencer. But again, becoming an influencer is only really for people that have a website and want to share the code like that, or they want to make YouTube videos like I'm doing and still be able to get credit for this. So that's really important to note. So once you have actually sent this code to one of your friends and they sign up, they'll instantly get $10 cash back and you'll get $25. And that only happens after they make their first purchase, and they have 90 days to make that purchase, which you can see right down here. And if you really want to dig into their referral program terms, you can just click this link and it goes over all of the fine print about what exactly the referral program is and the details covering how it all works. But it's very simple. You just refer your friends, give them your code, they sign up, you get 25 bucks, they get 10, and that's pretty much it. And they are very good about keeping track of this. So, you know, once they actually sign up, I've never seen it where someone signs up and you actually don't get the money or something shady like that. That never happens with Rakuten. Everything here is on the up and up, and it should work no matter what. And another important thing to note is that if you do have any further questions about this, you can always check their Refer a Friend program FAQ here, and that will also give a few more questions that people normally ask about this, and this website will be able to answer your questions better than I can. So I hope that answers your question about how to receive your referral bonus with Rakuten. Just follow the instructions I just showed you in this video and you will get your $25 bonus every time someone signs up. And if you enjoyed this video, remember to give it a like and consider watching some more of my videos right here, and I will see you guys next time.